In this video, I'll show you how to create an account using the Raiz app. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight to the video. All right, if you haven't done so already, go ahead and download and install the Raiz app by going to either your Google Play or App Store. So go ahead and search for Raiz, like so. And then you want to click into the first one here, Raiz. That looks like this symbol here. It's got over 500,000 reviews and it's got 500,000 downloads and 9,000 reviews. So go ahead and install that. So now this is going to download and install the Raiz app on my mobile device. All right, as you can see, it's downloaded and installed. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the open button. And now from here, you just want to skip past all this stuff. And now create your Raiz account. So what you want to do is put in your email address and put in a strong password. So use 8 or more characters with a mix of letters, capital letters and numbers to make your password quite strong. So I'm going to do that now. Once you've done that, click on create account. And you want to click on I am 18 years or older. Click on agree. And now you can set a pin here. So I'm just going to set one like so. Alright, then you'll be brought to this page here, so Raiz investment account. You can set up your Raiz investment account and choose your Raiz portfolio, so you can do it here if you like, or if you want to do it later, you can click on skip. I want to click on skip. Also here you can set up your Raiz investment account and choose your Raiz portfolio. I'm going to skip this. And now from here I'm going to click on set Raiz investment account. And you can fill this stuff out here. Then once you've done that, click on to next. And then you've successfully created a Raiz account using the app.